Meaning of emblazon.
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 Emblazon. Emblazon means to prominently display or inscribe a design or symbol, typically in a heraldic or decorative way. When something is emblazoned, it is made to stand out and catch attention. This can be achieved through painting, carving, or printing an image onto a surface in a bold and striking way. The result is often a visually striking and attention-grabbing image that serves to represent or commemorate a specific individual, group, or idea. Emblazoned symbols are commonly found on flags, coats of arms, and other heraldic devices used to identify and distinguish organizations or groups.